Japan is home to a diverse range of companies. Within the stock market, there are more than 3,600 listed companies. And amongst these companies, there are household names such as Toyota, Honda, Canon, and perhaps some names that aren't so familiar to those who live outside of Japan. But amongst all these companies, we find businesses that are well run, with very strong franchises, and these companies have been able to take these business models and also export that to countries outside of Japan. And that is why we think it is attractive to invest in Japan. The common perceptions of investing in Japan is that of an economy that's stagnating and of corporations that are not very friendly to shareholders. This is why we found that it is important to be selective when you invest in Japan. And this is also a reason why we have an on-the-ground presence in Tokyo to do the necessary due diligence. For the Aberdeen Japan Investment Trust, we invest in a relatively concentrated portfolio of about 40 companies. At Aberdeen, what we focus on are good quality companies with strong balance sheets, good management teams, sustainable cash flows, and good corporate governance. And last but not least, we look for companies that trade at sensible valuations. We do more than 300 company visits a year. During these visits, we meet with the management teams, where we try to understand their business models, understand their strategies, and where we challenge the financials. This gives us the confidence to invest in these companies for the longer term. What also sets this trust apart is that there is a hedging mechanism that provides some insulation for sterling investors against the fluctuations of the yen. We think the longer term outlook for the better run companies in Japan is very favorable. Within the trust, we are invested in companies that are world class. We think that with these investments, it will allow investors to get a diversity within their portfolios.